Let's be real. You want to make money with AI in 2025. So you binge watch Sam Altman's clips, you watch every AI video that will change your life on YouTube, and maybe you secretly believe that some magical agent will make up one day and start sending you cash directly to your bank account. Sorry to break it to you, it doesn't work like that. What I'm about to share are 7 AI skills that actually pay money. Skills people are already billing 6-7 figures for, while everyone else is still asking ChatGPT to write your birthday caption. And if you're wondering, but Rohan, which business model should I even build my business around? Or which business model can I use with AI to make money? Don't worry. I've linked my most popular video of the year, the laziest way to make money in 2025. And lazy doesn't mean dumb. Lazy means efficient. So check that after this particular video, it's in the description. And for now, just grab a simple pen and a paper and just get ready to actually learn skill by skill. So if you are actually running a business and you want to learn how you can use AI to get high ticket leads and appointments consistently for your business, comment the word AI below and you will get the opportunity to book a one-to-one consultation call with my team. Now, in case we get a lot of comments, I will also put that link in the description so that you can simply apply for a call with my team and get your free game plan on how to get high-ticket clients and appointments with the help of AI. Skill number 1, prompt engineering. Think of AI like an overly qualified intern. Brilliant but clueless unless you give it crystal clear instructions. Most people type, "Write me a blog post," and then cry that the output looks like a 5th grade essay. The difference between amateurs as well as professionals comes down to the instructions. The pros, what they do is they follow a formula: role, context, task, audience, and format. That's how you turn AI into a strategist, a copywriter, or even a consultant on demand. For example, instead of saying write a sales email, you'd say something like, "You are a senior copywriter at a health and a wellness brand. Write a persuasive email for busy parents, convincing them and trying to challenge them for a 30-day fitness challenge. Keeping it friendly and motivational and under 200 words." See the difference between both the prompts? The first version gives you fluff. The second version gives you professional grade copy that you can start using tomorrow. That's garbage versus gold. And here's the kicker. Prompt engineering is not about memorizing hundreds of magical prompts from Twitter threads. It's about thinking logically. If you can actually break down what you need to do into a simple building block, AI will literally give you exactly that. Businesses are already hiring people just to craft prompts for customer service, HR, legal, marketing use cases, and a lot more. That's paid work today. Skill number 2 would be AI automation. Every business leaks hours on repetitive tasks: data entry, emails, follow-ups. You'd be shocked at how much time actually goes into doing a lot of these things, which a little bit of AI automation can actually make this a lot simpler. With tools like Zapier, Make, or N8N, you can stitch those processes together and build what I call as a digital staff. They don't actually have sick leaves. They don't need additional bonuses. They just work 24/7, 365 days. But don't fall into the trap of thinking that you can automate literally everything. That's a rookie mistake. The real money is in niches. For example, dentists, they hit no-shows. Imagine an automation that reminds patients of their appointment 24 hours in advance, reschedules automatically, and if they can't make it, and update the dentist that, "Hey, your calendar is now updated and this person was not able to make it." That saves them thousands and thousands of rupees and dollars every month. Or gyms. Most lose money or poor follow-up. What you can do is create an automation where every new lead who walks in gets 3 SMS reminders, 1 WhatsApp message, and a personalized email over next week. Suddenly, signups increase without the gym owner literally hiring another salesperson to do that particular job. Even contractors, they finish projects but forget to actually chase reviews. which kills future businesses. Automate review requests, follow-ups, and posting testimonials online, and you've literally solved a painful bottleneck for that particular business. When you target one specific pain point for one specific industry, you stop just being a general freelancer. You become the person who fixes a problem that they've been living with for years and years. And businesses literally pay premium money for that, high ticket prices. Skill number 3 is AI development. No code tools will take you far until they don't. Eventually, clients actually hit walls when they actually need something custom done for them. This is when knowing a little bit about Python or how to plug into AI APIs makes you the most valuable person in the room. You don't have to be a genius developer. You just need enough to actually build small tools that save you hours of time. Let me give you an example of a real world. A law firm drowns in PDFs every single day. Case files, contracts, reports. Normally, interns and associates spend hours copying pasting into ChatGPT just to summarize them. But if you build a simple drag and drop tool where they upload those 50 PDFs and instantly get the summarized categories by case type, you have literally saved them weeks of efforts. And that's not just a hobby project. That's literally a 5-figure invoice. Or let's take into account another example, maybe real estate. Agents need to process property listings, photos, and client requests. A custom AI tool that analyzes these listings, pulls key features, and automatically matches them with the client preference. Well, guess what? That's radical. And that's another 5-figure solution. And here's the truth. Businesses literally do not care if you're a coder or you're a no coder. They care whether you can actually solve their specific problem in the fastest time possible. And being able to stitch AI APIs into smaller applications is the difference between charging, let's suppose, $500 for a one-off project versus $15,000 for a custom solution that solves the problem of that business in the long run. Skill number 4 that you can use, data analysis with AI. Data is the new oil. But the problem, most businesses are literally sitting on oil fields that they never dig into. They collect data, sales, customer behavior, expenses, but it just sits there unused. If you can actually learn SQL to pull some basic answers from database and then layer AI to actually interpret patterns, you will actually become invaluable. And here's why. Because AI can actually help you identify who's about to cancel the subscription, which product actually prints the most money, or where exactly is the money leakages. And once you actually surface those insights, you don't just hand them a pretty dashboard. You tell them this is exactly what you need to fix on Monday morning. That's where the value is. And let me give you a simple scenario. An e-commerce brand might be spending lakhs of rupees on ads, but they actually have no idea that 70% of their profit is coming from would be just 3 products. And by helping them doubling down on those 3 products, you have essentially paid for your service 10 times over. Or imagine a SaaS that's losing 15% of its users month over month. AI-driven churn analysis shows it's mostly people on the entry-level plan. Solution? Simple. Redesign the onboarding process for that tier. Suddenly, retention improves and revenue climbs up. When you can actually turn raw data into clear business actions, you're no longer a consultant. You are the growth engine behind these business empires for which you can charge a lot of money. Skill number 5, AI copywriting. Here's the truth. Everything runs on words. Ads, websites, sale pages, webinars, even YouTube video hooks. If your words are boring, everything else will fail. AI gives you that leverage here, but only if you train it properly. Don't just type, write me an ad. Instead, feed it with your brand's voice. Use your past winning ads and even writing styles that you really admire. Over time, you will create a custom AI assistant that will write a lot better than you and at a much faster pace. Think about this. If your copy keeps 80% of people till the sales pitch instead of 20%, You just turned this same traffic into 4 times more buyers. No new ad spend, no new funnel, just better words that you're writing this time. Here's a real case. A fitness coach used AI to generate 10 ad variations for a 30-day challenge. After testing one headline that performed 3 times better than others, that single improvement made his campaign much more profitable. And that's the power of AI copywriting. It lets you literally test, iterate, and refine at a speed no human writer can actually match. And remember, words that sell equal predictable money. Businesses will always pay for more predictable money. Skill number 6, AI aided software building. Now, once upon a time, building a software was either coding for months or hiring really expensive developers. Now, you actually describe the idea and AI scaffolds it. But the real value actually comes when you go into the niches. Instead of saying, I build apps for you, just say something like, I build custom estimator apps for contractors with auto PDF quotes. Suddenly, you're not competing with the general developers that are out there. You are the go-to person for a very specific problem for which you can demand a lot of money. And guess what? Contractors don't blink at it. They will happily pay you 10 lakhs, 15 lakhs or more for these particular softwares because it makes their life easier and it also helps them out in the long run. Now, this is the pattern that you'll see literally everywhere. AI lowers the barrier to entry for building softwares, but it also creates special opportunities for those specialists who can translate business needs into literal working products as fast as possible. Now, if you can bridge that gap, you don't just literally get clients, you get long-term retainers of people paying you on a regular basis. How cool that would be. Skill number 7, AI design. Now, design is the silent salesman. Logos, landing pages, ad creatives, thumbnails, these are what people see first before they even read your copy or try your product at all. And for decades, design was expensive and literally time consuming. AI changes that today. Today, you can actually generate 10 thumbnail variations within literally minutes and A/B test them for your CTR. You can create headshots, product photos, and even campaign images without having any kind of professional studio setup. For a small business, this is a game changer because it cuts down costs and time massively. But here's the part most people actually miss. Good design is not about looking nice. It's about perception. Bad design screams small time. Clean, consistent visual signals, authority, trust, and credibility. And in business, trust equals revenue. If you can position yourself as someone who combines AI tool with design principles, you're not just a graphic designer. You are a conversion designer. And clients pay much more money for something like that. So wrapping all of this up, a decade ago, you needed a team, a coder, a designer, a copywriter, a data analysis, and an ops manager. That's over $200,000 in salaries if you are in the US, or in India at least 50-60 lakhs. Today, you can cover all of that yourself if you learn these skills. Not because you're a genius, but because AI gives you more leverage. Most people will wait. They'll keep scrolling and keep fantasizing, keep asking ChatGPT to write birthday messages or captions. You won't. You'll pick one skill, you'll pick one niche, and you'll basically ship one offer this week and then scale it to the next level. And if you want help matching the right skill to the right kind of business model, check the first link in the description, which will take you to a playlist where I literally show you how you can use AI to build your own business and get high-ticket clients and appointments for yourself. I'm rooting for you. Now stop scrolling down and start building. Let's get started. Rohan Thavan here, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. So if you are actually running a business and you want to learn how you can use AI to get high-ticket leads and appointments consistently for your business, comment the word AI below and you will get the opportunity to book a one-to-one consultation call with my team. Now, in case we get a lot of comments, I will also put that link in the description so that you can simply apply for a call with my team and get your free game plan on how to get high-ticket clients and appointments with the help of AI.